Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on how I organize and decorate my room. Now there was so many people, well, put like that, always come into my room or say, oh, I love your room, how did you get your room like this? So this is for you guys. I know it's been a while. There's been a couple of people asking me for quite some time, and now I feel comfortable doing the video. So yeah, here you go, and hopefully you like my tips and tricks and you can take them and do it for your room, because I feel like everybody's room should be peaceful, you know, their peaceful place, and this is my peaceful place. I love my room. I feel so at ease and at peace when I'm here, and I feel like every room should be like this. So hopefully my tips and tricks make your room like this. So yeah, if you want to know how I got my room to be so peaceful, then keep on watching. The way I did my room, I have 4 steps. The first one is to declutter your room. Before even trying to organize, before even trying to decorate, you need to declutter everything. You need to take everything. You need to start looking through everything you have and start decluttering. Now, if you have not used or touched or even glanced at something for a year, you need to let it go. Get rid of it. No need to hold on to things that you have no use for. I only keep the things that are sentimental to me, that mean a lot to me. Now, when I say get rid of, I don't mean just throw everything out. When I'm decluttering my room, I make 4 piles. The first pile means throw away. And when I mean throw away, I mean throw away things that are no good to you or anyone else to give away to them. So you need to throw it away. Now the second one is things that you're going to keep and you use all the time. The third pile is to give away. Now giving away is point blank giving to people that you know, and you know if you see like, oh, this person might like it. Now when you're doing that, you know, certain people might go, oh, no, I don't need this, so I don't need that, and you will have things left over. Now you could put that in your 4th pile, and that's donating. People don't want it, you don't need it in your house, so you know what, you give it away and you donate it to people that are going to get use out of it. When you're decluttering, look through all your paper, shred your paper, the ones that you don't need, and if you have like bills or certain things, you could get the folder that you can organize, or just get different type of folders and like organize your paper so it won't be a bunch of paper all just, you know, stacked up and all messy. Do it your way, the way that you know is gonna be best for you, because you only know how you're gonna like it. So do it your way, but always organize from your paper to your clothes to all that. The second one is furniture. If you love your furniture, then you can skip this. But if you don't, save your money up. Get things that you know you're going to love, and from like that speaks to you when you see it. Like when you see it, like, oh yeah, that's the one. Everything shouldn't be on display. It looks too cluttered and it's just like a hot mess to me. I used to have a TV stand that there was no drawers, and everything was just out on the open, and I was like, oh my god, it looks so messy. So that's why I changed my furniture. But what I did was I saved my money up for the furniture, and that's how I got it. You don't need to buy things that are expensive. It doesn't matter if it's inexpensive or expensive. If you do not know how to take care of your own stuff, then it will never last long. If you like your furniture and the things are out in the open, then just purchase baskets or bins that you can put things in so you can hide it and everything won't be out on display. Now the third one is finally organizing everything. I'm gonna show you my TV stand, for example, on how I organize and what I mean about the furniture, about having things on display and not. Because one, I always feel like perfumes and like candles and certain statues should be on display. This is my TV stand, and this is the TV stand that I purchased from IKEA. This is what I mean by balance. I have 4 cubicles that you can see everything, and then I have 4 cubicles that hide my stuff. So each cubicle, from the things you can see to the things you hide away, I have a purpose for each one. Like this one right here is for candles. This one is the things that I love. Like right here, that's my dog Leah and my cat Nani. So I put their ashes on display because I don't want to hide them. I love them and I want everybody to see that. Now over here, this is my jewelry and then my perfume. This cubicle that's hidden, it's like my hats and like scarves and certain stuff like that. This right here is for like my nail polish and my just nail polish tools, and also my feminine products. And then this one is for jewelry, and this is my Monica closet, meaning this is my junk drawer. Everybody deserves a junk drawer. Even if you're so organized, we all need something just to, you know, throw it in. So hopefully now you understand what I mean about having balance. And like each drawer, you should always have a kind of like a theme, a purpose for that drawer, because then when you're trying to find something, you, oh my god, where is it at? You know what that drawer contains. Also, for the people that have small rooms, or anybody, it could be for anybody that have big rooms, small rooms, there's space under your bed, so use that space. Especially if you have a small room, you don't know where to put certain things at. You can buy those long bins. There's bins that are really thin and long. I have them under my bed, and you can put things under there. If you need space for your shoes, put your shoes under your bed. You don't need that to be cleared out. Also, your closet, have a shoe rack for your shoes, or bins, like the clear bins, so then you won't have to always go through the boxes and like, oh, what's this, like you would know. If you have a hamper, don't have your hamper out. I used to have my hamper out, and I was like, no, I need to put this away somewhere to hide it, so I hid it in my closet. Now that I did that, I have room to put another dresser in my room. So always try to hide certain things that you don't need out, because it will give you room for other things that you want to display. Now we're at the last one. We're almost done, and that's number 4, decorate. When decorating your room, it's your room, so you have to incorporate the things that you love, because you want your room to be you. You have to apply things in your room that inspire you, that make you happy, that you just love. So when you come in your room, you can just relax and feel happy when you're in here. The way I decorated my room is on what I love. So I love a beachy vibe and nature, so I try to incorporate a lot of that, and like animals and everything. So if you see on my wall, I have butterflies on my wall, I have mermaids, I have seashells, dolphins. Like when you've seen my cubicle of my pets that passed away, I have dolphins all around them. I have plants. This is a fake plant, so you could buy fake plants or real plants. I do have a real plant as well. I always wanted real plants in my room because it's good for you, so I want to buy more of those, and fake ones just to have as display. Also, I love sayings because I feel like they are very inspiring, so I have a lot of sayings on my wall. The lights behind me, I always wanted little fairy lights, so I finally purchased them, and it covers my whole wall. I've always loved lights on the wall. I feel like it gives a zen type of feel, so that's why I have that. If you're going to paint your room, I just want to let you know ahead of time, if you have a room that's small or that you don't get a lot of light in from outside, do not paint your room. I mean, to each his own. If you want to do it, you could do it, but to me, I feel like you shouldn't paint your room dark colors, because then you're not gonna get a peaceful vibe. You're gonna get more of a depressed vibe, because it's always gonna be dark, and you wanna have things that's gonna be like more light. I did have my room before a dark red and a dark purple at the same time. Like 2 walls were red and 2 walls were purple. And oh my god, my room was so dark because I never had good sunlight to come in all the time, daylight. It was horrible. Those are the only things that I would allow to be dark in my room, is my bed sheets and my curtains. I like the sheer ones that the sun comes through. And another thing, when decorating your room, I love to always change my room around. I like to keep it fresh. So either you can change your furniture around, or you can buy little like different things. After a while, you do start getting bored with things that are the same. So that's why you need to change it up a little bit once in a blue moon. You know, you can buy a new candle, or put your bed a certain way so it could look different. Change things up or add new things to your room, and always go with what you feel is right, because it's your room. So go with your gut feeling, and I'm telling you, it will turn out to be wonderful. So you guys, this is the end of my video, and I hope my video was informative and you enjoyed it. I mean, I always hope you enjoy my videos and they're helpful, because this is what I'm making it for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, especially about this or anything else, please comment below. Don't ever be shy. I will write back. If you don't want to write down below, you can always hit me up on my other social medias, from my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I will answer you back. I'm here to answer and help. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.